Most people don't know about this. Do you know your Windows PC or laptop has a hidden tricks that can instantly make them super fast? And if your laptop feels so crashing, lagging, or keeps slowing when working on huge projects, don't rush to buy a new one. Let me show you both hacks right now.
Hack 1. Disable all setup apps that you are not currently using on your PC. To do so, first, press and hold Ctrl, Shift and Escape key on your keyboard, and this will open your Task Manager. Go to the Setup tab. Right here, you will see apps slowing down your PC performance. And make sure you disable all the apps that you are not currently using. Let me show you how to disable apps when they are already enabled. Right click and click on Disable. When done, close the current window. Empty your recycle bin to create enough space for better performance. Press and hold Ctrl Shift and the Windows icon on the keyboard and press the letter B, and this will refresh your graphics. Hack 2. Add temporary RAM to your PC to boost the performance. Now for the secret hack, you can add extra virtual RAM without buying hardware. Let me show you how to do it. Right click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. Select System. Select Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings under this Performance. Click on Advanced. Under the Virtual Memory, click on Change. Now, uncheck Automatic. If yours is this way, you won't be able to customize any figures over here. So uncheck and set a customized size. Make it double your actual RAM. So if you have 4 gig, set 800 megabytes, and that will be 8 gig. And if you have 8 gig, set around 16,000 megabytes, and that's actually 16 gig. Now, this is your actual size. So if you are using your PC, you'll be seeing your actual size here. What you need to do is multiply this by 2 and then customize it at your maximum size over here. When you are done, click on OK. Close this window and then restart your PC.
That is it. 2 easy hacks to make any laptop super fast. Try it now. Save this video and share with someone who always complains about slow laptops. Follow XBrain Studio for more tech tips.